This kit has all the pieces, even these little foamy puffy things that make you feel like a professional, or at least a YouTuber. Let me show you every bit of this. This is amazing. Firstly, it comes in this outer case. Voila! It has a little pocket right here for the cables, which now that I've shown you the cables, I can get rid of these. I actually hate putting cables in there. I keep cables in a place where I charge all my things, which is beside my seat. So now I can move these out. I don't even know what this one does, but there you go. And then it's got this little strappy thing to keep it in there, but I actually hate it because it's kind of hard to get in there. You got to move it out of the way. I get annoyed easily. And then it's got this strap. Zips all up. Take it to the movies. I don't use this either. And then you got to take it out of there, and it's like, what? Get out of there. It has its own case. This is all you need. But if you like to be a little more secure, you have that. Let's go back to this. Also, the only thing I don't like about this is it's hard to open. I feel like I'm going to break it, so I'm trying to be all delicate. Maybe you just squeeze it hard or manhandle it. I don't know. Inside of here, you have 3 mics. Oh. Inside of here, you have 2 of these. I'm wearing the other one. And then on top of my camera, don't be looking over there at my dirty and messy house. I've got the retriever. That's not right. That's not the right word. But it's the thing that they go to, and then it puts the noise in through there. That's on my camera. But you can also use these for your phone. And let me show you that. You get 2 of these little bits. I guess Android, I don't know. It's C for the mic. And then you've got lightning and you've got another C. So no matter what you're recording with, hopefully this will work. I thought of one more thing. You got to remember to turn them on. And I am one who always forgets when it's turned on, the little light comes on. With just the one light, will be the noise canceling. And then when you click it again, you get the stream light on. That means the noise canceling is off. It's kind of noisy in here with the aircon running. Let me show you. If we turn the noise canceling off, this is what it sounds like in here. It's legit. It's legit. They are quite heavy, and that's another con for me, is that no matter what shirt I'm wearing, it tugs it down because it's heavy. It weighs like 15 pounds, maybe a slight exaggeration. I'm using a Sony EB210 something or other, and let me unplug this so you can hear the difference. This is with the camera's own mic. This is what it sounds like without the mic plugged in. Now I'm gonna plug it back in so you can hear the difference. And now, see how much better it sounds with the mic? The bonus being that you can also put it on your phone. Now let me undo all my gear here and put it on my phone so you can hear how it sounds on the phone. Give me just a second. Now I've got it plugged into my phone. So let's listen to the difference in sound. The noise canceling is currently on. Let's turn it off. And it looks like this when it's off. Okay, let's turn it back on. See the difference? Now I'm going to take this out so you can hear what my phone sounds like without the mic. And now my phone does not have the mic at all. And this is what it sounds like. Pretty big difference, huh? Now I've got it plugged back in. Hopefully it's working. And then when you're all done, you just set everything back inside of there. Everything has a space and you let it all charge. I've been using this for hours in the last few days and it's only down at 3 little dots. It lasts unbelievable. I cannot believe how long it goes between charges. I'm having a tough time opening it. There may be a better way, but I think it's not magnetized. It has these little impressions right there. Everything has a perfect little place. This is where the main mic part goes, and then the one I'm wearing will go here, and they all just charge and stay charged evidently for months. That's an exaggeration. If you're looking for a mic set that does it all, both your camera and your phone, and you're ready to throw away all your other 20 sets of mics, this is the one. It also keeps it charged for 3,000 hours. I don't actually know how long it keeps it charged, but if you're looking for something that stays charged and is not going to die on you in the middle of that perfect moment in your video, I'll have this linked for you below, and you better come back and thank me when you discover how much you love it and can't live without it. Also, while you're there buying this thing, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to get to 1,000 subscribers this summer with your help. See you real soon.